What brought me here from the beginning was that I was having some issues with some pain, some bleeding and gum bleeding. Finally, my dentist recommended that I see a periodontist. I came here basically because I did some research and I thought this looked like a good group to come to. And so I called, was able to get in right away. Came in, saw Dr. Levine, and he looked at the x-rays that I brought and did x-rays of his own. And when I first came, I thought that I was going to negotiate with him as to what I was going to have done and what I wasn't going to have done. But Dr. Levine had other plans which were in my best interest. It was a little hard to hear that I was going to lose a lot of teeth because of the gum disease that I had. But the staff was wonderful, and they talked me through everything. They let me cry. They let me just kind of go through what I needed to go through to get to the place where I was able to say, okay, I'm ready to do this restorative process. I had what was called, it was a 4-on-1, but actually I have a 5th implant on the top. And I have a bridge that is a permanent bridge that only Dr. Knack, who's the dentist that works in conjunction with Dr. Levine, can remove. I have 2 implants on the bottom, and I have a bridge on the bottom that stays there, that does not ever get removed. The day of the procedure, I came in at about 8 o'clock in the morning. I was the only patient that was here. I had some nitrous oxide for the extraction portion of the procedure, because that was, I think, the part that scared me the most going in, knowing that once that was done, there's no turning back. So I just kind of wanted a little more relaxation for the extraction, which they were, which was fine. I feel like because of the long-term care that I've had, I feel like my gums are healthy. I feel like I don't have an issue with my breath. My breath is, I make sure that I do the cleaning like I have been instructed to, use the water pick, floss, brush my teeth regularly, use mouthwash, like essentially just good general oral hygiene. But I feel like because of that, and because now I feel like my smile is as perfect as it can be, I have a lot of confidence going out in the world. Dr. Levine, you're the best. He took me from a place where I was just overwhelmed with what was happening, but his kindness, his compassion, his professionalism just helped me tremendously, and I trust him completely. I would recommend him to anybody.